Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock G5600UE. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure you are in the timekeeping mode, and to do that, from any other mode, you can just press and hold the mode button on the bottom left and get the double beep, and now it is in the timekeeping mode. Okay, after that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left, and now, yes, you get the beep, and now HT is flashing or blinking here, meaning that now we can set the home city or home time zone. Okay, now you can use the light and search button to change the city. So this one, the light button will move to the west or the left side of the map, and the search button will move to the right side of the map or to the east. Okay, and because my city or my location is using the same time zone as Bangkok, so I will use this one. Okay, press the mode button, and now we are setting this one, the daylight saving or the time for the summertime. And if you want to activate, use the search button. So this one is active, and if you want to deactivate, also the same button, this one. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now this one is the second, and if it is 30 or more, you can reset using the search button, and it will become 0 with additional minute. And if it is 29 or less, you can also use the search button, and it will become 0 without additional minute, like this one. Okay, press again the mode button, and now we are setting the hour. You can use the light button and search button to change the value. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the setting for the minute. Same thing, you can use the light button to decrease and the search button to increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the year. You can use these two buttons. The light button will decrease and search button will increase. Okay, again mode button, and now is this one is the month. So this one is date and month, but you can set as date and month or month and date. I will show you later. So this one for the month, you can use the light and search button also. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the date. Same thing. The light button will decrease and search button will increase. Okay, mode button, and now is the setting for this one, the time format, 24-hour format or the 12-hour format. So you can press the search button, so this one becoming 5 p.m. and yes, you can use the search button also to change to 24-hour format, so whichever you need. And then press again the mode button, and now is the date format, so this one date and month, but yes, you can change using the search button, so this one is the month and date, so I will use the date and month. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the language. You can select using this one, the search button, so this one is English, and then Spain, and so on. Okay, I will just use English in this case, and then press again the mode button, and now is the setting for the key tone. So this one means that the button will give beeping sound, and if you press the search button, it is now the mute mode. So this one, if you press the buttons, it will not make beeping sound, but still for the alarm and then the countdown timer and also hourly signal, they will still give beeping sound. Okay, I will set as normal with the key tone. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the backlight for the length of the backlight. So this one 3 meaning 3 seconds. It means longer backlight, but it will drain the battery more, and you can change using the search button. So this one is 1.5 seconds, so 1 meaning 1.5 second, meaning that the backlight is shorter, but it will keep the battery better. And then press again the mode button, and now we are setting the power saving. You can activate using the search button, so this one is already on, or you can change to become off, whichever you need. Okay, I will set as on, and then press again the mode button, and now return to the setting of the home time zone or the home city. And if you're done with those settings, you can press the adjust button, and done. You have set the basic settings for Casio G-Shock G5600UE. Anyway, I will also make a more detailed tutorial, but it will take some time, so stay tuned. And yes, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.